Welcome once again to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, please do not forget to hit the subscription button just below this video you're watching. It's just here. It doesn't bite. All right, so today's video is very important and I want you to pay very rapt attention. You see, it is of no use uploading videos on YouTube where people are not even viewing those videos or people are not watching. It's painful, it's sad after spending so much time in editing your video, yet no viewers, not even one soul watching your video. It's hurtful, all right? It's hard, okay? But I'm going to share with you these tricks now that will help you get views. At least you can, if you try this method in a day, you should be able to get like 20 views instantly. 20 views in a week. You're supposed to you will get nothing less than 100 views watching that your video. And you know that the more people watching your videos, the more the algorithm will be suggesting your video to other viewers and users of YouTube, right? So that's why it's very important to ensure that you get views. Now I'm going to share with you 3 tricks in which you can get views. This is October 2025 update, right? In which you can get views. Number 1, using the friends and family trick. Friends and family tricks. This is what I mean by friends and family trick, right? Immediately you share your video, immediately you upload your video. This is what I do. Sometimes, in fact, in my faceless channel, this is what I do. I share with family and friends, all right? There's nothing to be shy about. Just send to you if it's your class group, if they allow you to share content, or if it's your work group, if they allow you to share content, or your family group or your church group, just share your video and say, hey friends, please, I have just uploaded this video. I want you to please watch this video and share your thoughts. Just imagine you share to this friend, you share to that friend, you share to this friend, you share to that friend. Before you know it, you've gotten 10, 20 viewers, 10, 20 viewers. Right, so this thing works so effectively. This is something I've tried over and over and over again. I have a faceless YouTube channel here, and that is what I've tried over time, over the past 3 years, and I have gotten lots of subscribers, lots of views on my videos. Okay, so I really want you to try this. Try this, friends and family. Share with your loved ones. Share them. Share your video with them, and they will definitely want to watch. And with that, you will get views. Right now. The second trick, which most times I encourage people to do, right, is creating a social media platform outside YouTube. Have a community, or maybe on TikTok or on Facebook, where immediately you share or upload your video on YouTube, share that link with them on your Facebook page, on your TikTok page, or other social media platform. From there, you'll be sending traffic from all these other platforms to your YouTube. You understand? So just imagine you have 5,000 friends on Facebook, and 5,000 of them, they see the video and they click on it and watch. Don't you think that your views on that video will increase? So this is a trick that works effectively, and I want you to try it. It works so well. Trust me, it works so well. Of course, yeah. Then also, when you try these tricks, make sure you comment under this video telling me if it works or not. All right. Now, still talking about sharing on your social media platform. When you just share your link of the video you've uploaded on YouTube, right? Don't just leave it like that. Comment, tag, do highlights. You know the way, especially Facebook work, right? You can do highlight at everyone so that you will drag their attention to that your video. All right, and that is why I shared with you in the previous video why your video needs to be very catchy. If you've not watched that video, please go back and hear that video again, watch it, and implement those things I shared in that video, right? So that works effectively. Trust me, it works 1,001 time, and that's why do not just rely on only Facebook. On only YouTube to just share your upload your video, and that's all. Thinking someone somewhere will come and watch your video. Yes, fine. Then people, if you do it where people on YouTube can work, but you tend to get more views. We're talking about more views. You tend to get more views in all these other platforms. Okay. Now the last trick I will share with you, which is for me is number 1, is the surest, right? And that is creating a short, YouTube shorts. All right, YouTube shorts. It could be on any topic based on your niche, right? It could be on any, but it must be a short. It could even be like a teaser of your main video. right? You create a short, a teaser of a main video, upload it using just like the way you upload normal video, but it will be on shorts. Then you can, there's a place you put what we call related video. When you upload short, you see related video. But before that related video would have worked or will work rather, make sure that you are already verified. So if you do the video, I'll just give you a hint now. We'll demonstrate that and how you can do that. I'm going to be on all my training on YouTube. I'm going to be using CapCut for my video editing and also training because that's what I use for my videos, right? You create that. And when you do that, you upload it as short. All right. And I'm also going to show you the related rather video in which you can upload. Let's just go into the practical so that you see.
All right, so I've already uploaded the video now, as you can see already. So make sure your own shot is also ready. Now, I'll go and look for where there is related video, right? So this is the related video I want to upload on. So I can use any of my long form video content. So I'm going to choose any of this long, at least it should be more than a minute. Maybe I'm going to choose this my 10 minute video, and I upload it, and you'll discover that it's
So
already showing.
if you upload short tend to get a wider reach than any other this thing, than any other way of uploading video on YouTube or even sharing outside YouTube. Short, try short. In fact, my faceless channel, the way I grew that channel, the first content I started with was uploading short. Oh, because that way people will know your channel. Your channel is new, you do not have any visibility, it's just a new channel, and you want people to know what you do on that channel. The best way is to use shorts. When they see 1, 2, 3, 4 shots from you, they will tend to go and check more of even your long form videos. Do you understand, please? All right, so if you do not understand, I'm free to answer your question. Just drop it on the comment section of this video and I will pick it up from there. All right, so try shorts. If I were you, if you're just starting your new channel, I would try uploading, at least have a timetable, have a content calendar. Okay, in a week I'm going to share 4 videos. 2 videos will be long form. When I say long form, more than 1 minute, or let me say minimum of 8 minutes and above.
All right, so share this, work on this, and see if it works. And I'll see you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and share with friends. Thank you. Bye.